Let's start. Now come to the question number 2, that is of exercise 1.1 chapter 1. Okay. Question number 2 is that show that any positive odd integers, okay, which odd integers is in the form of 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5. Okay, where q is some integer. Okay, so q is integer and all any odd positive integer are in the form of 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. So in this type of question, what is the approach here? Okay, see, let a be any positive number or positive integer. Okay, positive integer. Then if we by Euclid division algorithm, by Euclid division algorithm, we know that a equals to bq plus r, where r is a remainder and it should be less than b and it should be greater than equals to 0. Okay, so this is the statement by Euclid division algorithm. Okay, so now a we know, now we have to find out b. What is b in this question? We have to compare this equation and this is already given that 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. So here b is what? B is 6, 6, 6. So I am writing here b is 6. On comparing both the equation we know that b is how much? 6. And if b is 6, then remainder is how much? Remainder should be 0, maybe from 0, and it should be greater than 0. So it may be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It should be less than 6. B is 6 na, so it should be less than 6. So remainder is 0 to 5. Okay, now write the all cases means a be the any number which can be written in the form of bq plus r. So b is 6 here, by Euclid division algorithm we can write like that, b is 6 here, 6q plus, I am taking first case 0. Okay, I am taking another case 6q plus 1, 1, 2, 3, remainder I am taking 1 by 1. Okay, remainder in all cases. So 6q plus 1, then 6q plus 2, okay, 6q plus 2, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 4 and 6q plus 5. All cases we have to write. Okay, after this what we have to do? We have to show that any positive odd integer, this in the form of this. So odd integer we have to show. So let's see. We can write 6q plus 0 is in the form of 2 into 3q plus 0. Can we write like that? So we know that it is any number. It is any number which is multiple of 2. So if any number that is multiple of 2, that is always a even number. Okay, so even number. Now come to this. See, we can write 2 into this 6q is as 3q plus, no, that is not plus here, 6q, and then we can write plus 1 outside. Okay, so this is a number is multiplied by 2, that is also even number, and even number is added by 1, so we got that odd number na. Even number plus 1, that is a consecutive numbers. After every even, that is a odd number comes, so this is odd number here, odd number. Okay, similarly we can do in this case, take the 2 common from whole, 3q plus 1. See, if I am taking 2 common from here, 3q plus 1, so it is multiple of 2. This is a whole full number is multiple of 2 only. So that is a even number. We know that is every number that is multiple of 2, that is always a even number. Okay, similarly we can do here 2, take 2 common from here. Okay, हम 2 क्यों कॉमन ले रहे हैं? क्योंकि हमें ओड इंटीजर और एवन इंटीजर के बारे में बताना है, इसलिए हम 2 कॉमन ले रहे हैं। क्योंकि हमें पता है कि अगर 2 अगर हम कॉमन ले लेंगे तो उससे क्या होगा, अगर वो 2 का मल्टीपल अगर शो हो जाता है तो वो इवन नंबर हो जाता है। तो वही हम करना चाह रहे हैं। अगर 2 का मल्टीपल नहीं होगा, उसमें अगर एक ऐड होगा, सिंगल अगर एक ऐड होगा तो वो ओड नंबर बन जाता है, इसलिए हम ऐसा कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, दैट इज द अप्रोच इन दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन, यू हैव टू डू लाइक दैट। सो 2 3q plus 1. Okay, so it is how much? It is 2q. If I am taking 2 from here, so it is a 2 3s are 6 plus 1, that is a 2 plus 1. I am writing like that. Okay, so this is the multiple of 2, so that is a even number plus 1. So even plus 1 is how much? Even number plus 1 is how much? That is the next number is how much? Odd number, na? Odd number. Okay, similarly we can do in this question, take 2 common from here, that is how much? 3q plus 2, 2 2s are 4, that's why we can write like that. Now it is a whole number is multiple of 2, whole number is multiple of 2, so we can write it is a only even number. Okay, similarly in this question we can write, take 2 common from this, take 2 common from this, that is 3q plus 2 2s are 4 plus 1, we can write like that. Okay, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, that is 5. Okay, so it is a number that is multiple of 2 plus 1, so it is again even number plus 1. Multiple of 2 is how much? That is a even number, and plus 1, that is a odd number. Okay, that is a odd number. Okay, that is a odd number, you have to remember. So actually for example, I am how we have to show here, if any number, see this is a odd number, if any number is multiple of 2, see if it is a multiple of 2, that is a even number. Okay, means multiply even number, even into odd, that is also a even number. Okay, and if I am multiplying even number into even number, okay, so that is also even number. So you have to remember it. Okay, so you have to remember it, even into even number is also a even number. Okay, but if I am taking odd number like this one, okay, I am taking 3 into 5. Okay, 3 into 5, so 3 into 5 is how much? 15. See, this is odd, this is odd, so multiple of odd is how much? Odd number into odd number is equals to how much? Even number. Sorry, odd into odd is how much? Odd number. Okay, so you have to remember this, and this approach is comes in the यही अप्रोच हम इस क्वेश्चन में काम में ले रहे हैं। ठीक है, तो इसी से हमारा क्वेश्चन प्रूव हो गया। देख लीजिए क्वेश्चन, ये देखिएगा यहाँ पर ओड नंबर, दैट इज 6q plus 5, दैट इज ओड नंबर हियर 6q plus 3, and that is a odd number here, that is 6q plus 1, and that is we have to prove in this question. See, odd positive integers 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5, so hence proved. Okay, so we can write any positive integers that is in the note, that is for only example. Okay, that is only for the note, for understanding only. Now any positive integer, odd integer, okay, we are talking about the odd integers, is in the form of 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. Okay, that is our answer. Okay, now come to the question number 3, that is an army contingent of 616 member is to march behind an army band 32 members. Okay, मीन्स एक आर्मी बैंड के पीछे 22 मेंबर्स है आर्मी बैंड में, उसके पीछे आर्मी कंटिजेंट चल रही है, उसमें वो 616 मेंबर्स है। ओके, इन द परेड and there are two groups. Okay, the two groups are to march in the same number of columns, means वो ऐसे 6 columns same number of columns में होंगे, m number of columns. Okay, so we don't know what is the m number of columns, we have to find out that what is the value of m. Okay, m number of columns, what is the maximum number of the column in which they are march, मतलब वो कितने में मार्च करेंगे वो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है, ठीक है ना, और वो नंबर इक्वल होना चाहिए। तो वो देखते हैं हम कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं। देखिएगा ये क्वेश्चन इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन हम पहले भी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं एग्जांपल नंबर 4 में। इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आने पर आपको क्या करना है, सिंपल ध्यान देना है कि दो नंबर आपको जो दिए हुए हैं उनका सिंपल HCF फाइंड आउट कर लो, या फिर जब भी हमें फाइंड आउट करना होता है मैक्सिमम नंबर तो हम क्या करते हैं HCF फाइंड आउट करते हैं। तो व्हेन वी आर फाइंडिंग, व्हेन मैं कॉन्सेप्ट बताता हूँ इसका, व्हेन वी आर फाइंडिंग maximum number, so we find HCF of given numbers. You have to remember this. What is the concept here? Try to understand. Concept is that देखो जब भी आपको दो बातें होती है, या तो LCM फाइंड आउट करना होगा या फिर HCF फाइंड आउट करना होगा। तो जब भी किसी दो नंबर का आपको A और B का अगर LCF फाइंड आउट करना है, कोई भी दो नंबर का आपको LCM और HCF फाइंड आउट करना है, तो LCM जो होता है ये हमेशा इससे बड़ी वैल्यूज देता है, ठीक है ना, मतलब वो होता है वो हमेशा लार्जर वैल्यूज देता है, ठीक है, और HCF जो होता है वो हमेशा स्मॉलर वैल्यू देता है। जैसे हम एग्जाम्पल ले लेते हैं 3 और 5 का ही ले लेते हैं, 3 और 5 का ले लेते हैं, दो नंबर हमारे पास 3 और 5 है, तो इसका LCM कितना हो जाएगा 15, और जब हम इसका HCF फाइंड आउट करेंगे तो वो सिंपल 1 हो जाएगा, ठीक है ना। तो देखो इस दोनों से वैल्यू जो छोटी है वो HCF में आती है, और इन दोनों से जो लार्जर वैल्यू है वो आती है LCM में। सो वो यही कॉन्सेप्ट हमें याद रखना है यहाँ पर, क्योंकि हमारे पास क्या है यहाँ पर 616 और 32 मेंबर्स है, तो ऑब्वियसली इनसे कम ही मेंबर होंगे ना, एक कॉलम में कम ही मेंबर होंगे ना, तो वही कम फाइंड आउट करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ता है हमें, कम फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ता है, स्मॉलर वैल्यू, फॉर फाइंड आउट द स्मॉलर वैल्यू वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द HCF, और HCF हम यूक्लिड डिवीजन लीमा से फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं इजीली। सो दैट इज अ कॉन्सेप्ट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर। ओके, दैट इज अ कॉन्सेप्ट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस। ओके, in such type of question you have to apply this concept only. Okay, and that is very easy. Now apply Euclid's division lemma. What is the Euclid division lemma? Compare the both numbers. What are the numbers here? 616 and 32. Okay, compare the both number, which is larger? 616 is larger. Okay, compare the both number, which is larger? 616 is larger. So that is a Euclid division lemma, means what? Long division method. So greater number is inside, 616 is inside and 32 is outside. Okay, and do the division. So how do we find out? That is simple. 616 is inside, 32 is outside. Now divide it. I think it comes out to be 320, 640. 640 is less. Okay, so it is number is here 19. So 19 into 30, 19 to the 38 and 57, so it comes out to be 10608. Okay, and it comes only 8 only here. So remainder is not comes 0, keep on dividing. Remainder is not comes 0, keep on dividing. This divisor will become next time dividend. Okay, dividend, and it comes only 8 4s are 32. That is very easy. Remainder comes 0. If remainder comes 0, you have to stop it here. Okay, stop it here, and last divisor is your HCF. Last divisor is your HCF. Is your HCF. So you have to remember last divisor is HCF. So simple. HCF of the given number is, HCF of the number is how much? 616, and 32 is how much? 8 only. Okay, we can also write like that, A equals to BQ plus R. That is also simple. That is nothing, not a problem here. 616 is here, we can write like that. B is 32, 32 into 19 plus 8. Okay, 32 into 19 plus 8. When we are multiplying this and plus 8, that is 616 comes. Okay, and 32 we can write like that. 32 equals to 8 into 4 plus 0. 8 into 4 plus 0. So 8 4 is 32, is comes 1. Remainder comes 0, so we have to stop it here, and that is your HCF. So in this way we have to find out the HCF of the given number. Okay, good. Now come to the question number 4 of exercise 1.1, that is, use Euclid division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1, where m is some integer. So how do we solve? By Euclid division lemma, we have to show that square of any positive integer. Okay, so a be any positive integer here. Let a be any positive integer, okay, and we have to find out b. So what is the approach here? Approach is same, we have to find out b. So b is how much here? B is, on comparing this equation by Euclid division lemma, this a equals to bq plus r, so we can write like that. Okay, I am comparing this equation by a equals to bq plus r. Okay, I am comparing this equation a equals to bq plus r, where r is less than b, and it should be okay. That is, now compare this equation to this given, what we have to write here. Okay, so this is 3, so b is 3. Okay, so here on comparing we got that b equals to 3, and r is how much? R should be less than 3. Okay, so it is maybe 0, maybe 1, maybe 2, but not 3. Okay, because it is less than 3 na, so that's why 0 1 2. Okay, it should be less than b only. Okay, now we can also write, that is a simple procedure here. Okay, a equals to b into q plus remainder r, so we can write a equals to b into q plus r. Okay, that is same, and b, it remainder is always less than b na, that's why there is a relationship over here. Okay, so now come to the question, how to we solve? Make the cases here. Okay, make the cases here. So what are the cases here? Right, a equals to in the form of bq plus r. So b I am taking 3, b is 3, and q remains same, plus r is how much? I am taking first time 0. Okay, so it is, the number is only how much? 3q. Number is how much? 3q. Okay, that is case first. I am taking case first. Okay, 3q plus 1, and in this question, that is a square of any positive integer, or this number is how much? Square of this number. So we are doing the square of this number. Okay, so square of this number, and we have to write it in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1. So let's see, square of this number we can write like that. Okay, and we have to write like that, square of 3 is how much? 9q square. Okay, and we are writing this as a multiple of 3, because we have to write in the form of 3 na, so 3 into q square. Okay, it is a multiple of 3, so I am supposing this number as a m, so let m be any positive integer. Okay, m be any positive integer, so we can write 3m. Okay, m be any positive integer, let m be any positive integer, be positive integers. Okay, so this is your 3m. Simple, you have to write the first case and square of that, because it is asked in the question na, said in the question, that is square, so you have to do the square and make the multiple of 3 only. Okay, make the multiple of 3 only. Okay, now take the second case. Second case is that 3q plus, and now remainder is how much? 1 na, so remainder is how much? 1, so I am writing remainder is how much? 1, and square of that. Now the formula comes here, a plus b whole square. Okay, a plus b whole square, that is how much? A square plus b square plus 2ab. 2ab is how much? 3q. I am writing here 3q and 1. Okay, there is a formula here. I am writing a plus b ka whole square equals to, formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, that is formula we are using here. Now this is how much? 9q square, 9q square plus 1 square, that is 1, and it is 6q only. Okay, 6q only. Now I am taking this and this only. Okay, now I am taking this and this only. So what is this? This is 9q square plus 6q plus 1, rearranging only. Okay, and then we can write like that. Take the common from 3 here, that is from both the terms, only both the terms. Okay, so that is q square plus 2 3 to the 6q. Okay, and that is a 1 here. So now if we are, suppose this is any positive integer, so I am writing this number as m, I am putting this number as m, so this number comes here 3m plus 1. Okay, so that is our m is any positive integer, that we already said in the. Okay, so that is your 3m plus 1. We can write 3q plus 1 whole square is 3m plus 1. Okay, now one more case is left here, third case is how much? Third case is 3q plus 2 ka whole square. Okay, that is how much? A plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2 into ab. Ab is how much? 3q into 2. Okay, after that what we have to do? After that, that is a 9q square plus 4 plus 3 to the 6 to the 12q. Now I am writing this and this, only rearranging. Okay, 9q square plus 12q plus 4. Okay, now taking common from this. Okay, now taking common. Okay, take the common 3 from all of these. Okay, so I am writing 3 common from here, that is how much? 3q square, sorry, 3q square. Okay, 3 3 is 9. Okay, 3 4 are, so it is 12. Okay, plus 1 I am taking, and plus 1 I am outside. 3 1s are 3 plus 1, that is 4. Okay, so now I am writing this number as a m. I am writing this number as a m plus 1. Okay, so this number is in the form of 3m plus 1. 3q plus 2 whole square is written in the form of 3m plus 1. Okay, and 3q plus 1 square is in return of 3m plus 1, and 3q plus 0 is square is whole square is written in the form of 3m. Okay, so in this question, that is we have to prove here 3m or 3m plus 1. So any positive integer, that we already proved here, or any positive integer a equals to bq plus r, we have to suppose b is what, then remainder, then make the cases and solve it. That is said in the square here. Okay, so you have to make the square and solve it. Okay, that is very easy. 3m and 3m. Okay, m is any positive integer, so hence proved. Okay, now come to the question number 5. Question number 5 is that of exercise 1.1, use Euclid division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Okay, so how to be solve? In previous question we already seen. So how to be solve? That is same approach here. Let cube of any positive integer. So let a be any positive integer. Okay, a be any positive integer. That is our assumption here, and we know that by Euclid's division lemma, by using Euclid's division lemma, we can say that a equals to bq plus r. Okay, and r is how much? R is less than b, r is less than b, and it should be greater than equals to 0. Okay, 0 से बड़ा होना चाहिए और b से छोटा होना चाहिए. रिमाइंडर ये होता है by Euclid division lemma. So on comparing a equals to bq plus r, in this equation, in this question, 9 is the b here, 9 is the b here, 9 is the b here, 9 is the b here. So b is how much? 9 here. Okay, b is how much? 9. If b is 9, then we take the remainder. So remainder is how much? Less than 9. So it is the maybe 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 5, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These are the cases. Here how many cases are there? 9m, 9q plus 0, 9q plus 1, 9q plus 2, 9q plus 3 and so on up to 9q plus 8. Okay, and cube of that we have to show that. Okay, but there are so many cases here. 9 cases are built up. So how to be solve? That is a too much lengthy. We have to solve by 9 cases also. हम 9 cases लेकर भी solve करेंगे, आंसर वही आएगा. लेकिन मैं एक ट्रिक आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि एग्जाम में अगर हम इतना करेंगे तो बहुत टाइम हो जाएगा. 9 केसेस को सोल्व करना हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है इतना. 2 से 3 मार्क का क्वेश्चन है सिंपल. तो हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पर, एक अप्रोच हम ध्यान रखेंगे. देखिएगा सिंपल क्या करेंगे हम कि जैसे मैं बता देता हूँ आपको कुछ एक एग्जांपल देखिएगा. जैसे मैं 3 का टेबल लिखता हूँ. 3 1 जा 3 2 जा 6, 9, 12, 15 and 15, 18, 21, 24 and 27 and so on. Okay, this is the table of 3. Okay, table of 3 and I am writing the table of 9. 9 1 जा 9 2 जा 18, 9 3 जा 27, 9 4 जा 36 and so on. Okay, my aim is, ध्यान दीजिएगा यहाँ पर. देखिएगा 9 का जो भी मल्टीपल है, देखिएगा 9 की जो टेबल ये है हमारे पास, 9 2 जा 18. देखिएगा ये 9 है, यहाँ पर 9 है. 18 ये रहा 18, 27 ये रहा 27. तो मेरा कहने का मतलब ये है 36, तो यहाँ पर टेबल में कहीं आएगा 36 आगे. तो मेरा कहने का मतलब ये है जो भी नंबर 9 का मल्टीपल है वो ओबियसली डेफिनेटली 3 का मल्टीपल होगा. बस यही एक ट्रिक हमें लेकर चलना है यहाँ पर, यही एक कॉन्सेप्ट हमें लेकर चलना है कि 9 का जो भी मल्टीपल होगा उसको हम 3 का मल्टीपल कह सकते हैं. और अगर हम ये कह सकते हैं, अगर हम 9 का कोई भी मल्टीपल है, जैसे सपोज करिए 9 का मल्टीपल है, तो हम इसको ऐसे भी तो लिख सकते हैं ना, 3 का मल्टीपल. ओके, सो यही अप्रोच हम लेके चलेंगे. इसका मतलब क्या हो गया, अगर हम यहाँ पर यूज़ कर रहे हैं, जैसे मैं मान सपोज ले लेता हूँ यहाँ पर 9q प्लस आर, तो इसी को हम क्या करेंगे, हम इसको ब्रेक करेंगे क्योंकि हमें पता है ना 9 का जो भी मल्टीपल होगा वो 3 का डेफिनेटली मल्टीपल होगा. तो वही कॉन्सेप्ट हम ले रहे हैं. यहाँ पर 9 को हम करेंगे 3 इंटू 3m. सो वी आर राइटिंग हियर 3q प्लस आर. ओके, मीनिंग इज दैट हम क्यों कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर b को हम 9 की जगह 3 लेना चाह रहे हैं क्योंकि हमारे पास क्या होगा, केसेस कम हो जाएंगे. इससे केसेस क्या कम हो जाएंगे, यहाँ पर 3 जब हम लेंगे तब देखिएगा ये कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो चुका होगा. जो भी 9 की टेबल में आएगा वो 3 की टेबल में डेफिनेटली आएगा. ओके, तो यही कॉन्सेप्ट हम ले लेते हैं यहाँ पर और लिख देते हैं यहाँ पर एवरी मल्टीपल ऑफ 9, एवरी मल्टीपल ऑफ 9, मल्टीपल ऑफ 9 is definitely multiple of 3, definitely. So now we are assuming here b is how much, 3. Okay, now we are replacing b equals to how much, 3 only. Okay, and remainder for this case is how much, remainder for this case is greater than 0, so maybe 0, 1 and 2 only. Okay, हम ऐसा क्यों किया, क्योंकि यहाँ पर देखिएगा इस क्वेश्चन में यहाँ पर बन रहे हैं 9 केसेस, 8 और 0 एक 9 केसेस. तो हम इसको सोल्व करने में बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा. तो इसी को हम शॉर्ट ट्रिक से सोल्व कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पर हमारे पास 3 ही केस बनेंगे और इजीली सोल्व हो जाएगा. और यहाँ पर क्यूबिक और करना है तो वो बहुत लेंदी हो जाएगा, 9 केसेस फिर उनका क्यूब करना और आंसर आने में बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा. तो इतना वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे. तो यह ट्रिक हमें यूज़ करना है. तो चलिए करते हैं स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट केस ले लेते हैं इसका. फर्स्ट केस, अब हमारा क्वेश्चन रिड्यूस हो गया यहाँ पर. ठीक है, इस क्वेश्चन पर यहाँ पर रिड्यूस हो गया है हमारा क्वेश्चन. ठीक, अब इसी को केस फर्स्ट ले लेते हैं. केस फर्स्ट इज ए बी एनी इंटीजर, ए बी एनी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर विच कैन बी रिटन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 3q प्लस r is I am taking 0. Okay, and cube of that we have to do the cube because it is said in the question, cube you have to do. Okay, cube of any positive integer. So any positive integer is how much, 3q plus 0. So cube of that is how much, this one. Now solve with a plus b का whole cube. A plus b whole cube is how much, I'm writing here a plus b whole cube is how much? A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, that is the formula you have to remember. Okay, a plus b whole cube, so a cube b cube plus 3ab square, 3 one time a square, then after that b square, means 3a square b 3ab square. So we are opening this term with this formula. Okay, so 3 cube means a cube plus b is nothing over here. Okay, that is simple, that is only here 0 na, so that is only here. So a cube is how much? Okay, so it is how much? 3s are 9 or 27 cube. Okay, 27 cube. Now we can also write like that, it is a multiple of 9, 27 is a multiple of 9, so I am writing here 9 3s are 27 cube. Okay, can I write like that? Why I am writing like that? Because we have to prove, we have to show that. Okay, we have to show that 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8, 9 plus 8 or 9m plus 8. Okay, so that's why I am writing here as a multiple of 9. Okay, now I am assuming here this as a m. Now I am assuming here this as a m, so I am writing here 9m, or m is any integer. Let m is any integer. M is any positive integer. Similarly, case second, similarly we can write 3 cube plus 1 cube. Okay, cube of that is we have to asked. Okay, in this question cube हमें बोला है कि किसी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर का क्यूब होना चाहिए, तो सेकंड केस ले लिया और इसको ओपन कर देते हैं, तो a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस 3a स्क्वायर b plus 3ab square. Okay, now 9 3s are 27 cube plus 1 plus it is 9 3 27 q square plus 3 3s are 9 q only. Okay, now we have to write this term and this term. Okay, we on rearranging we can write 27q cube plus 27q square plus 9q, and plus 1 is also here. Now from these whole terms, from these terms I am taking 9 as a common, so 9 3s are 27 cube plus 9 3s are again and 9 1s are, so it is q, and plus 1 is this. Now I am supposing this term as m, and that is a multiple of 9, so 9m plus 1. Okay, m is any integer, positive integer. Okay, now taking the case third. Okay, case third is what? 3 cube plus 2 square cube. Now open it, a plus b whole cube, that is how much? 3 cube plus 2 cube plus 3ab. Okay, there is a square here. Okay, and 3 cube 2, and that is a square here. Okay, now solve it, that is very easy. How much? 3 3s are 9, these are 27 q cube plus 8 plus 3 3s are 9, 27 54 q square plus 3 3s are 9 and 9 4s are 36. Okay, now rearranging this and this. Okay, so how much it is? That is 27 q cube plus 54 q square plus 36 q plus this 8 is also here. Now take common from these terms, 9. Why I am taking 9 common? Because it is asked in the question. Okay, that's why. 3 q cube plus 6 times it goes, 4 times it goes. Okay, and 9. Okay, that is a plus 8 is also here. So I am supposing this as a m. I am supposing this is a multiple of 9 na. So I am taking this as a m plus 8. Okay, so this is your 9m plus 8. So all as this number is comes to be 9m plus 8. See, and this comes here 9 cube plus 3 cube plus 1 cube is how much? 9m plus 2, 9m plus 1, sorry, and this number is treated as a 9m. So 9m, 9m plus 1 and 9m plus 8. Okay, that we have to prove. So that is over exercise 1.1. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the video.